Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2021 Great Wall Haval Jolion Ultra, stock reference number 5215. This shape runs from the second month 2021 and is the current shape. It has a 4G15K 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 4G15K 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand daytime running light. Left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. We have the right-hand tailgate garnish, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey leather interior, auto center console, auto gear shifter, climate control, heated controls, factory sat nav, factory touchscreen media player, non-sat nav, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.